Track 15, Mi Gente, Rice and Beans, inspired by J Balvin, Mi Gente. Me gusta arroz y habichuelas. Who doesn't love a good dish of rice and beans? This is a staple of many Latin dishes. The rice and beans make a complete protein, rich in fiber, B vitamins, and potassium. Enjoy with or without added meat. Use brown or white rice, they will essentially provide the same number of calories, but the brown rice will provide more fiber and nutrients to keep you fuller. Are you with me, mi gente? Mi gente? This recipe provides 2 servings per container, 420 calories per serving, 22 grams of fat, 28% of your daily value, 5 grams of saturated fat, 25% of your daily value, 0 grams of trans fat, 95 milligrams of cholesterol, 32% of your daily value, 670 milligrams of sodium, 29% of your daily value, 24 grams of carbohydrate, 9% of your daily value, 5 grams of fiber, 18% of your daily value, 0 grams of sugar, 31 grams of protein, 62% of your daily value. Ingredients: 1 pound of 90% lean ground beef, 1 tablespoon cider vinegar, half cup chopped onions, fresh or frozen, half cup chopped peppers, fresh or frozen, half cup diced tomatoes, half cup water, 1/4 teaspoon ground cumin, 1½ teaspoon all-purpose seasoning with pepper, 1 tablespoon garlic, 2 tablespoon extra virgin olive oil, 1 packet Sazon with Coriander and Annatto, half cup Sofrito, 1 bag of whole grain brown rice, 1 can of kidney beans, optional, 1/4 cup sliced Manzanilla Olives stuffed with Pimientos. Directions: heat oil in a 12-inch non-stick skillet over medium-high heat. Add chopped onions, peppers, garlic to pan. Season beef with ground cumin, adobo, sazon, and add to pan. Cook until golden brown. Add sofrito, tomato sauce, diced tomatoes, olives optional, and half cup of water. Open can of kidney beans, rinse and add to pan. Stir and cover on low heat for about 5 to 10 minutes. Cook brown rice in microwave, remove and serve. Makes 4 servings.